Hi guys, my name is Kevin from 64.1E.2 Class Management Major FBSI University in New Africa. This video was created to complete my basic English that's from my lecture Miss Suwantika Kusmandari, Bachelor of Education and Master of Education. Today, I want to give my opinion about Indonesia versus Bahrain. Match between Indonesia and Bahrain is always interesting because it showcases different playing style in the same football. Number one, playing style. Indonesia is known for fast play and individual skill. After using quick counter attack, Indonesian players have a good technique but tend to be smaller and less physical than Middle Eastern teams. Bahrain, known for a more disciplined, physical, and structured approach, with strong defense and skill aerial duels. Bahrain players are generally tall and physical stronger. Number two, head-to-head record. Bahrain has historically had the upper hand in match, often being the stronger team, but Indonesia has managed to challenge team closely, especially when playing at home with strong fan support. Number three, domestic league. Bahrain domestic league is generally more stable and organized, producing well-trained players. Indonesian league has faced some organizational challenges, but in recent years, many talented young players have emerged. Number four, challenge and opportunity. For Indonesian, playing Bahrain is chance to improve in areas like physical strength, tactical discipline, and mental toughness. For Bahrain, facing Indonesian means handling a faster, creative style and being conscious of quick counter techniques. Number five, fan support. When Indonesian play at home, a large crowd bring energy and motivation, which can be a big advantage. Bahrain, however, may have more experience handling the pressure of away games. In summary, a match between Indonesia and Bahrain is valuable experience for both teams. For Indonesia, it's a chance to compete against a strong Asian team and improve their game. For Bahrain, it's an opportunity to test the results against a fast and skilled opponent. WH question. The question word is a word used to ask something such as reason, time, place, object, person, and many others. Question words can also be used to form noun clause and adjective clause. Who? How to use who to ask about a person or people. Example, who is coming to the party? Who, explaining. Use who when you want to know the person responsible for an action or involved in something. What? How to use what? To ask about a thing, activity, or concept. Example, what are you reading? Explaining. What is used when you want to know detail about something specific, like an object, action, or even abstract ideas. When. How to use when to ask about a time or moment. Example, when does the show start? Explaining. When. Help get information about timing, whether it's a date, day, or specific time. Where? How to use about where? To ask about a place or location. Example, where do you work? Explaining. Use where when looking for details on a location or direction. Why? How do you use why? To ask about a reason or cause. Example, why are you studying this subject? Explaining. Why? 6. Explain motivation or reasons behind action or event. How. How do you use how to ask about a method, manner, or state? Example, how did you solve the problem? Explaining how can request the method, the condition or feeling, or even the extent of something. Which. How do you use which to ask about a choice among options. Example, which color do you prefer? Explain which is used to narrow down choice when there are specific options available. Was. How to use was to ask about possession or ownership. Example, whose case are these? Explaining whose help identify the owner or person related to an object or item. Thank you. Have a nice day.